Hi, this is Ewok. Ewok is a 16-year-old senior cat now. He's been with me since 2009. Now, Ewok is a little bit slower, but he eats a little now. And he seems to be a little old man now. Trying to feed him with soft and a little bit chewy, so he can be okay eating his food. And it's a bit hard to stay, to jump, to walk, but he is a very good cat. A good cat. Wick Wick, how are you, Wick Wick? Oh, good, Baba. You wanna eat? Are you hungry? My dear? Huh? I hope you still live longer, Wick Wick. I want you to live longer, okay? Huh? You're my cat, my love. I lost you for 2.5 years, and then we were reunited. By chance, God is good. I found you after 2.5 years. You were found by my colleague. Their house is very far. I don't know why you went that far. But now, since you came and I found you, really, I'm so happy. Pray to God every day when I lost you, that I hope God will take care of you. And He did.